what's in it to bicycle from Kashmir to Kanyakumari? It's only 3,500 kilometers. That's what Google throws up. Possibly there's nothing, but somebody like a 73-year-old man or 73-year young man like Dr. Kiran Seth, who's the founder of SpeakMackey, is pedaling all the way from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So does that motivate you or inspire you? I think it's some kind of a fitness that puts me and also all youngsters to shame, isn't that? I'm sure you would want to have an interaction with him. If this motivates you enough, please do come tomorrow at 3 o'clock in our auditorium.
Dr. Kiran Seth is a Padma Shri awardee and an emeritus professor at IIT Delhi. He did his PhD from Columbia University and worked at Bell Labs before joining IIT Delhi. There he founded SpeakMackey, which is the Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth, which has over 300 plus chapters in India and abroad. Dr. Seth is cycling all the way from Kashmir to Kanyakumari to promote following 3 points. First, to celebrate the glorious heritage of India. Second, to increase awareness about SpeakMackey and to inspire more people to volunteer. Third, to promote cycling. We welcome Dr. Seth at IIIT Bangalore tomorrow. Let's all gather to meet and hear from him and get inspired. Thank you.
Dr. Kiran has been an inspiration to many and is once again aiming to do so by completing this seemingly Herculean task of cycling across India, that too at the age of 73. We are really happy to welcome you to our college, Kiran sir, and we hope to learn much from this endeavor.
We are honored and extremely eager to host Dr. Kiran Seth, the founder of SpeakMackey. SpeakMackey promotes India's cultural events by hosting Indian classical music, Indian classical dance performances and other exciting events all across India. Currently, Dr. Kiran Seth is traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari by cycle. He is in Bangalore at present and we at IIITB eagerly await his presence in our auditorium at 3 p.m.
It's not an easy thing to think about bringing traditional art forms in India, especially ones that are dying away now, to younger generations, especially in the places where younger generations actually are, to schools and colleges, and then think about bringing connects between artists and these younger generations who've probably never been exposed to these art forms. This is what Dr. Kiran Seth has been doing. And now to add on to it, if you think about the fact that he's also been now cycling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and that's a whole lot of inspiration that we want to get. Dr. Kiran Seth is coming to our college tomorrow for a session, and I feel that it will be a very inspiring session to listen to and to understand, to be motivated by for many more years to come.